Hi friends, and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do crypto arbitrage using Binance and Hotbit. But before we dive straight into the video, I would like to invite you to kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification icon in order not to miss any video updates from this channel. So as I said, we are going to use Binance and Hotbit to do this crypto arbitrage. So without wasting much time, let's dive straight into the video. So first of all, you have to make sure you download and install Hotbit on your smartphone, and also download and install Binance app and register on your smartphone. If you don't have an account on Binance, you can use the link in the description below to sign up for an account, and also you can use the link in the description below to sign up for Hotbit account using the link in the description below. Once you install Hotbit and register for an account, this is the interface you will see. So in order to do crypto arbitrage, you will need to fund your Hotbit account using USDT or any of the coin you want to use. But in my case, I will be using USDT. That is the cheapest and most useful coin I can think of when doing this crypto arbitrage on Hotbit. So first of all, I have to come to this section that says fund and tap on it. So in this case, I'm going to deposit USDT. As you can see, I have zero balance on my Hotbit account. So I'm going to deposit USDT to this account. So I click on the deposit button, and then I will select USDT. I can tap here and search for USDT, but I already have the USDT on top here. So I'll just tap on it to copy the address. So now this is the USDT address. I have to make sure it is on TRC20. Don't select any of this network. Make sure you go on with TRC20 because that is the cheapest network for transferring USDT to your account. With the TRC20, you will pay only $1 as network fee. But when you take any of these networks, that is Ethereum 20, BEP 20, and the rest, you are going to pay higher fee as compared to TRC20. So make sure it is on TRC20 before you continue. So once you select the network at TRC20, just come and tap on this to copy the address. Alright, now I've copied the address. I'm going to Binance and transfer this money to my account. So now this is my Binance account. This is my Binance account. So on Binance, I come to the section that says wallets. I tap on it. So once I tap on it, now these are the funds I have on my Binance account. So in this case, I'm transferring 52 USDT to Hotbit from my Binance account to Hotbit, because I will be charged $1 as transaction fee. So in the end, I will get only 51 USDT being transferred to my Hotbit account. So in this case, I tap on USDT and then I tap on USDT, then go to withdrawal. I come to withdrawal. So once I come to withdrawal, I will have to select this option that says send via crypto network. So now here I will need to paste the address I've copied from the Hotbit account, and then I will come and select the network. The network, as I said, is on TRC20. Make sure you select TRC20. As you can see, this is the fee, one USDT for sending this 52 USDT to Hotbit account. So I select on TRC, or I tap on TRC20 to then confirm. Alright, so now I've confirmed the main network. This is the network TRC20. Now I enter the amount I want to transfer. Currently, this is the amount I have on my spot wallet. This is the amount of USDT I have on my spot wallet. I then type the amount I want to send. Okay, let me just send the 55. So in that case, I can just tap on maximum to select the 55, or I just type it here. I can tap on the maximum button to select all the balance I have on my spot wallet, or I type it here. Now that I've confirmed it, I've confirmed the address and the network and the amount I'm sending, then I will come and click on withdraw. So as you can see here, I'm going to receive 54 as the USDT in my Hotbit account. The $1 is going to be the network fee. So in this case, if you are sending 50 USDT to Hotbit, make sure you send 51 so that the $1 will be the network fee, and then the 50 will arrive on your Hotbit account. So in this case, I'm satisfied with all this. I just come and click on the withdraw button. So once I click on the withdraw button, now I will have to confirm. I have to confirm the order before it will be executed. So this is the address I'm sending, and then this is the network, and this is from my spot wallet, and then this is what I'm said the total amount I'm sending, and this is the network fee. So yes, I've confirmed this is the transaction I want to carry on my Binance account. So I just click on confirm. So when I click on confirm, I will still be giving this kind of warning. Please, this is it. So make sure you read everything and then understand this and agree with what they are telling you. So once you are satisfied with everything, just click on the confirm button. So once you click on the confirm button, if you have set the two-factor authentication, you will need to verify it before the transaction can continue or can be processed. So in this case, I'm going to send the code. I click on send code, then a code will be sent to my phone number. I will just, yes, this is the code. I just tap on it to accept. Now I have to send the code again to my email address. They will have to send it to my email address because I've set three-factor authentication. That is through phone, email, and then my Google authentication app. So I have to get these codes all ready in my before this transaction can carry on or can be processed. So I'm going to verify it and come back to continue this video. Alright guys, so as you can see now, the transaction has been processed or has been completed. So now I will have to wait for it to reflect on my Hotbit account. So I'm going to open my Hotbit account and then we will continue from there. Alright guys, so now I'm in my Hotbit account. So as you can see, this is the 54 USDT that we've sent from Binance to the Hotbit account. So we are going to use this amount to do the arbitrage. So now once you are back to the Hotbit account and you are able to fund your account, what we need to do is to come to this section that says market. So once you come to this market, you will see a list of currency pairs that you can do or you can buy on Hotbit. So in this case, I'm going to show you something. Make sure you do the arbitrage with currencies that have three pairs. As you can see, when you tap on Ethereum, it has Ethereum USDT, Ethereum BTC, and Ethereum USD. So you have to make sure you go through all this and see the currencies that have three pairs before you can use them for arbitrage, because we'll be buying from one pair to convert it to another and then sell it to the other pair. So in this case, there is this coin that I want us to use for this arbitrage. The name of the coin is Lua. So you come to this search bar and tap Lua. So once you are here, just type LUA. Just type LUA and then you will see the coin here. This is the coin we are talking about here, Lua. So once you tap on Lua, now you come to this section that say buy. When you come to the buy option, now you are going to buy 50 USDT and then the equivalent of Lua will be shown to us here. So here I'm buying 50 USDT and this is the amount I'm going to get for as equivalent in Lua. So let me copy this amount and then I will go to this section and change the pair. As you can see, we are now on Lua USDT. So I will change it to Lua BTC and then I will enter the amount I copy. That is when I use 50 USDT, the amount I've copied, and then this is equivalent in BTC. So as you can see, I'm buying this amount of Lua for 50 USDT, and when I'm selling it to USD and BTC, I'm getting 57.5. As you can see, I use 50 USDT to bought this amount, and when I'm converting, I will get I use 50 USDT to bought this amount of Lua. And now when I'm selling the Lua back to BTC, I'm getting 57.54 BTC equivalent. As you can see, I will if I take this transaction, I will get $7.5 profit on this transaction. So guys, let me show you something here. As you can see here, this is the number of buyers who are ready to buy USD this in Lua, and these are the number of sellers who are ready to sell. So once you come here, make sure you look at this section and see if the transaction is going on here, because after this you will have to convert this your number of Lua into BTC. So if you don't have sellers or people who are ready to buy this Lua into BTC, then this crypto arbitrage will just be a waste of time. So as you can see now, this is the number of people who are ready to sell, and these are the number of people who are ready to buy. So make sure you see the numbers here are moving up and down. So once you see the numbers are moving up and down, meaning there are activities going on, people are ready to sell and other people are also ready to buy. So make sure everything is going on well here before you execute this trade. So as you can see now, if I'm selling Lua into BTC, I'm getting $57.54 equivalent. Meanwhile, I've used $50 to purchase this number of Lua. So this is the advantage of using Hotbit and Binance to do your crypto arbitrage. So I hope you've understood this concept well, and if you are serious about this, you can go ahead and do this as many times as you can, and then you will make a lot of profit using Binance and Hotbit crypto arbitrage method. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be bringing more videos on crypto arbitrage and how you can make money online using cryptocurrency and other forms of online earnings. So don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.